Hello there. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to pass props between component in React. Well, prop are the short form of the properties. So by the term prop, what we mean is to transfer the properties from one component to the other component. Well, it is done in a single line, which is from parent to the child component. So let's understand that how we can implement it in our Visual Studio Code. Let's go. So let's say that this app is our parent component and this child component is your child component, right? This name is also a child component here. Now, I want to call this component inside this parent component. For that, what we normally do is just call it by name, child component, and like this. And it got imported, right? So yeah, by this you import the child component inside the parent component. Now I want to share some data from this parent component to this child component. For that, we need to give those data inside this child component which we have called, right? So inside the stack, what we will do, we will write the name, like whatever the variable you want, by that which you want to share the data, you can give it. So I want to give the name as Piyush there, age as 23 here, right? And if I want to share this to this child component, it got shared. Now you to capture that, what we do is just you can write the props here. This props is holding all the information, all the properties that you have shared, right? Now if you want to write something like hello, and the name which you have got by the prop is that props dot name, your age is props dot age, right? Now if you go on the website, you can see it is showing me hello Piyush, your age is 23. How it is done? It is done by sharing the information through the props, right? Similarly, if you don't want to use this prop, you can also destructure it by just putting a curly bracket, removing this prop, and you can write the variable name which you have given to the prop is name and age. You can simply write the name comma age, right? Yeah. So by doing this, actually what will happen is that now you have to remove this props and from both the places, and if you go to your website, you can see it is working fine, right? So you can do the destructuring also. Now after doing all this, one thing I also want to explain is that you can also share the functions. You can also share the functions with the help of props. How? Let's say that the function app, like this app is holding a function which is let's say const say hello, is saying alert, and alert is what? Alert says hello, how are you, right? And I want to share this. So for that, what I need to do is just write the name of the prop, put a equals to, and then put a curly bracket, and inside of it you just write the name of the function, that is say hello. Now on this child component, right, you can use it. How? Just take this greet, right? Yeah. Now we have taken this greet, and what we are going to do is just we will create a button. Inside the button I will say click here, and whatever the method you use to call a function, you can do the same here, right? Click on the click of this button, I want to call a function name greet, right? Now if you go to your website, you can see I'm having this click here, this side. What if I just put it down? Okay, let's do one thing. Class name as flex flex code, and now it went here. Okay, leave it. You just, when you click on it, you can see I'm having this hello how are you alert on the top, right? So how it is doing working, because I have called that particular function. I call that particular function through the prop from parent to the child component, and inside the child component, when we are clicking on the button, this function is initiating, and it is providing an alert which is saying hello how are you. So this is the button, and when you click on it, you are getting an alert. So this is a method just by which I am showing you that this function is running and you can share the function, right? So by this you can do this, and I hope you understood that how actually we share the props in React.js between the components, right? So this is all for today's video. I hope you like the concept and understood it clearly. If you do, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.